Have you ever said I love you to Japanese lady? My student said to me he confessed to a Japanese lady but being rejected. I asked him, what did you say? He said, 私はあなたが好きです. It really shocked me. Hi, I'm Maki. Today I want to teach you how to say I love you in Japanese language. I hope you will be safe after watching my video. Sometimes you may search in Google for translating some Japanese phrases. I can tell you most of the time it is not true, especially you are trying to translate Japanese language. Although the grammar is perfectly being translated, but in most cases, we express in different way. The most important thing you have to know is we cannot use anata in this situation, although anata is mean you, but it sounds like little bit rude. If you know the person's name, you better say the name of the person. For example, if her name is Sakura, you could also say Sakura-chan. If you want to express you like Sakura, you could say Sakura ga suki desu. Sakura ga suki desu. Or Sakura no koto ga suki desu. Sakura no koto ga suki desu. And then you should say, 付き合ってください. 付き合ってください. Will you be my girlfriend? Hope that she say yes to you. If you want to say I miss you, we say 会いたいです. 会いたいです. Sakura-chanに会いたいです. If you have a partner now, you can say I love you. 愛してる. 愛してる. Sakura-chanを愛してる. Remember, don't use anata. You can also try to say this to your girlfriend. Sakura-chan は私にとってとても大事です. Sakura-chan は私にとってとても大事です. You mean so much to me. I hope one day you could introduce your partner to me. She is my girlfriend in Japanese language is 彼女は私の恋人です. 彼女は私の恋人です. To confess in Japanese language is 告白. 告白. Please tell me your experience of 告白 in comment and subscribe our channel. 一緒に頑張りましょう. See you next lessons.